everybody. Sorry we're late again. But I don't know how long we're gonna do it today. But that's up to everybody. Let's see. Let's see. Basta up to 10 for sure. Maybe 1 hour for today. Hello, Mayo and Mar and Ismorpy and Neo. Wait, let me just go back. Okay, so today we are gonna continue the mock test actually over here. Pa-bus-bus. We will do the bus-bus one day before the test. So, on Friday. Hala, kinakabahan na ako, guys. Kinakabahan ba kayo? So crazy. I'm actually already sleepy. But, yeah. I think we should sleep early, guys. Like, maybe 10 or 11. Bumili na kayo ng lapis. I think Mongol would be nice. Or, kasi yung Faber-Castell. What I have is this one. Oh, this is not. Let me check. I know I have a Faber-Castell one. This one, my Mongol one. This is the one I used in my entire college. I think. So, yeah. Looking for mapagtatasahan. Hello, Deb. Welcome, guys. Are we ready to start? We'll start in a few minutes. We always start like 5 minutes in. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, what's the main thing you should study in math? If you are just cramming right now, memorize the simple fractions. That's the one thing you need. You can go through all the recordings I do or go through the TikToks I made. Guys, I just made a TikTok. Please make sure to like it. Tinatamad ka today, it's okay. You can just rewatch the live tomorrow. 140k applicants, sobrang dami na. I think 100k plus din last year, pero hindi 140k. Yes, studied earlier in class but ended up falling asleep. It's okay, guys. When you're sleepy, make sure to sleep. Kasi it's better than doom scrolling. Basta, you should stop doom scrolling this week because it's gonna rot your brain. Hello, Nico. Welcome back. 140k daw yung applicants this year, Nico. Thank God I did not apply this year. I think nung time namin, mga 110, mga ganun. So, that is a lot. Tapos 20k lang makapasok. That's so crazy. Diba ang dami? I think last year 120. Sobrang dami na. But that's because mainstream. Mainstream na yung Upcat. Yes, but that's good. It's good din na madami nag-a-apply. Yung mahirap lang is syempre onti lang yung makapasok kasi because there are only limited slots. Kaya dapat ayusin na ng gobyerno yung education system, give more funding to UP, you know, or other state universities. Oh, 130k daw last year, sabi nila. Madami din, but 10k more, that's still a lot of people. When science, we're never doing science, sorry. We're anti-science here. Char. You should study science on your own. It's a self-study thing, I believe. Even I studied science on my own. Science is more of a self-study because you have to memorize things. But math, we can study it together because it's more of practicing the applications. More on computations. Philippine Saram, yes, we are Filipinos. Over here, Dark Vader said. Are you Korean? Perhaps. Pwede naman GPT. You can't chat GPT in college. I mean, you can in college, you can't on the Upcat. So, yes. Oh, yung coverage ng Upcat, guys, I think Nico sent it sa Instagram channel. So, join the Instagram channel and you can see all the tips Nico has there. Nico is in UP right now as incoming second year. What formulas do we need? Koreo. Welcome to the live to Dark Vader. I really need a list of formulas sa math. You can use the PTS reviewer. More on, for me, memorize areas and perimeter, yung mga ganun. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yun mostly yung mga triangle, yung Pythagorean theorem, ganun. Every year my Upcat. Oh, did somebody ask? Yes, okay guys, we're starting in 10 seconds. My countdown. Okay, we're starting on this question. Should we put up a poll? I'm gonna put up a poll. Putting up a poll. Word problems, like what? We've done word problems, like age problems, motion, mixture, distance, mga ganun. We've done those. You can recheck the lives. Pero if we pass one here, for sure gagawin natin yan. Eto may age problem dito. So we can do that later. Sagutan muna natin ito. Let's see if I can answer it. I'm actually not sure. Let's see. Opening the poll right now. The poll is open, guys. Make sure to test your intuition over there. Annotated version of this file, you can find it on the Instagram highlights, yung 5th story sa Instagram highlights. Tapos, ayun, nasa, din siya, Instagram channel, yung G Drive, may G Drive nito, tapos naka-upload siya. Choices daw, choices is here. In the figure, MN and KL with PQ as a transversal, BA and CA bisect NBC. NBC. Bisects NBC. Meaning, equal daw ito and ito. Kasi bisect daw siya. And LBC. LBC. Tapos, equal din ito and ito. Find the measure of A. Ooh, so ito yung, we actually had a question like this. Kaso, hindi siya madedetermine, diba? Kasi wala namang given. May given ba? Walang given, right? Or is that just me? Letter B? 90 degrees. Okay. A pa lang hinahanap. Iniisip ko ibang number. Is it 90? Because it looks like 90. But what we know, guys, kapag may parallel na ganito, pwede mo daw siya hatiin. You can draw another line like this. Tapos, kung ano yung value, nasa na yun? Kung ano yung value dito, wait lang, let's check. Yung value dito is the same as the value here. Tapos yung value dito is the same as the value here. Is it B? I don't know where the answer key is to this. But I put the annotated file in the Instagram. Kasi bisects. Ganun ba yun? Yes, this is our first question. This is geometry. Hello to the 1.2k people. B and C are supplementary. Oh, you're right, you're right. Wait, are you right? B and C are supplementary. Yes, B and C are supplementary. So, half of that. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay. So, B and C are supplementary. What does that mean? We know kasi na ito si C, ito over here, kita nyo ba to? Kapag inusog natin yan dito, hindi pala yan. This one over here, this is C. And then when we move this C on here, magiging 180 siya. Itong line na to, magiging 180. This is 180. Okay, it's a straight line. So, we know that B and C are supplementary. Kasi, ganito yung itsura nila. Ayan, this is B, this is C. They're equal to 180 total. Tapos, binabisect daw itong si B, and binabisect itong si C. So, we know this is half of B, and this is half of C. So, pag inad yung half nilang dalawa, alam natin na equal to 90 yung dalawang half. Equal to 90 yung dalawang half. We don't need to know what the value is of the two halves. Basta alam natin na this one plus this one is equal to 90. Dahil triangle ito, dahil triangle tong inahanap natin, we know that this one has to be 180 minus 90, which is just equal to 90. Yes. Gets, guys? Are you late? No, we just started. This is our first question, actually. Wow, the people got that. This is actually very deep knowledge. Wala akong mag-gets. Actually, mahirap. Medyo complex yung number na to. Basta alam natin, nagbabisect daw siya. So, etong dalawang value, etong si B, this one, plus this one, is equal to 90. So, eto na lang yung nawawala. Kaya, hinanap natin si A. Si A is this one. Okay. Hula lang daw yung B. Tapos mali pala yun. Pero feel ko may sense naman. Kasi 180 yung bisect. Why 90? Because a triangle is equal to 180. Equal siya sa 90 kasi itong buo, this one plus this one. Okay, this buo, guys, see this one plus this one is equal to 180. Dahil nagbabisect siya, And bisect means kalahati. This kalahati over here plus this kalahati is equal to kalahati din ng 180. So, divide by 2, that's equal to 90. So, yung sum ng dalawang kalahati is equal to the kalahati of 180, which is 90. Yes, bisect daw siya. Yes, amazing. Mukha kasing right angle. Yan tayo guys, nag-a-assume na naman tayo. Pero minsan tama noon mag-assume, di ba? But sometimes, mostly hindi. Kasi hindi yan drawn to scale. But okay, we can end that there. I don't know how to further explain that. The answer is letter B. Hindi siya 45, 45, 90. Walang value, hindi natin alam yung value ng B and C. Pero kahit di natin siya alam natin na yung sum nilang dalawa, yung sum nitong dalawa ay equal to 90. By the way, I made a video on synthetic division. Make sure to click my profile later and check it out and like it. I worked so hard on that. I'm so tinatamad na guys, like, the Upcat is so close, tas ngayon pa ako tinatamad, but yes, we can push through. I feel like I'm gonna do lives until Wednesday, hopefully, kasi Thursday, let's see about Thursday. But yeah, hopefully you guys, wag kayo ayaw mo na, Nico. Tapos na ba mid-sem mo, Nico? Mid-sem ba yun? Mid-year pala. Mid-year. Next question, which of the following is or are true? So this is, okay, I'm gonna put up the poll, guys. You like the bookshelf? Thank you so much. It's my childhood bookshelf. We moved houses and then dinala ko pa rin yung bookshelf. So yeah. Actually, meron kasi nagkwento. Next time na nga, wala na tayong time for today. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh, we're gonna answer this question. So, this is the law of exponents. So, what do we know about this first one? Itong una, hindi siya na-add. Ay, pwede pala siya add. So, this is basically, pag in-add yung dalawa, it's the same thing as 2 times 2x. Hindi siya ma-add, hindi ma-add ang exponent for this one. Pero pwede natin siya i-write as 2. Dalawa of this, kasi nag-add tayo ng dalawa. And we know that 2 raised to 1 times 2x, pwede mo i-add, dito, pwede ka na mag-add ng what? Pwede ka na mag-add ng exponent. So, that's equal to 2 times x plus 1. Okay? So, tama si number 1. Check. Number 2. What about number 2? We have 4x. I feel like this one's wrong. Let's see. Oh, letter C daw ang sagot. Bakit 2 and 3 only ang sagot nyo? Tama ang A. Tama ang 1. Okay, keep answering, guys. Make sure to answer. Hello to the 2K people. Answer and test your intuition. Let's see. Am I wrong with number 1? Number 1 is correct. So, I don't think it's C. X na agad si C. X na C. Eto. So, we're now testing B and D na lang. B and D na lang ang need i-test. So, okay, let's see. What I would do, guys, kung nagmamadali ako sa Upcat, since ang difference nila, pareho silang may 2, diba? So, hindi ko na iti-test si 2. Gets nyo ba? Hindi ko na iti-test si 2 kasi pareho silang may 2. So, actually, lahat sila may 2. So, tama na si 2. We don't need to test 2. What we need to test is 3. Okay? So, don't test what doesn't matter. We're trying to answer as quickly as we can. So, let's do number 3. Check agad. Check agad si 2. Number 3. 2 raised to 2x times 2 raised to 2. We know kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng dalawang 2, magiging add lang siya, diba? Magiging 2 raised to 2x plus 2 siya. Hindi siya mamumultiply. So, x is si letter number 3. So, the answer is B, guys. Did you get B? Hindi ba mali yung 1? Tama si 1, guys. I explained it. Okay? The explanation is, dahil dalawa ito, we can rewrite as 2 times, same lang yan as 2 times 2x. Okay? Same siya as 2 times 2x, which is just 2 raised to 1 times 2 raised to x, which is equal to x, 2x plus 1. Bakit letter C ang sagot nyo? Tama ba ang 3? Tama ba si 3? Oh! Joke lang. Hindi pala tapos. Let me just check number 3. Mali pala yung, kala ko 2 ito. We're gonna redo number 2. That's equal to 2x times 4. So how would we turn that? Is there a way to get 3? Do you guys see a way to get 3? I'm trying to think of it. Parang wala. Is there a way to get 3? Why is 2 correct? Kasi lahat siya may 2. Hindi ko na chinek yung 2 kasi lahat ito may 2. Wala namang sinabing none of the above. And dahil may 2 sila lahat, hindi ko na i-check si 2. May way ba yung 3, guys? Okay, B. Raise to 0? Hindi pwede mag-raise to 0. 3 is incorrect. Yes, I think 3 is incorrect as well. I don't know how to get number 3. Walang rule for that. So, I think the answer is letter B, guys. Do you agree with letter B? I think it's letter B. Ako ang batas. Char. But yeah, the answer is letter B. Hindi na natin i-check si 2 kasi lahat may 2. Okay? So, need lang i-check I1 and 3. And, tama si 1, guys. Tama si 1. Tama si statement 1. Okay? R with a star. I just uploaded the recording yesterday. So, kaka-upload ko lang ng recording. Hindi siya bonus, guys. The file is called Mathematics Proficiency. You can find it over here in my IG highlights. The first story, search nyo itong Upcat 2015. Search nyo sa Google Drive, Upcat 2015, Mathematics Proficiency. So, yeah. I think the answer is letter B. We're gonna move on. So, trust me on that, guys. We're moving on to the next number. Restarting the poll for the next number. Hello to the 2.5k people. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We have like 5 days left together. The Upcat is in 5 days, so I hope you guys are ready. At this point, you should be just mentally chilling out. Okay, don't stress your mind too much. Make sure to watch the videos. Yung short TikTok videos ko, meron dun. We also have YouTube recordings if you're cramming. So yeah. The median of 97 consecutive integers, grabe naman yun, ang dami, is 55. Find the last number. What? Median is 97 consecutive integers is 55. So, 55 daw yung gitnang number, tapos madami dito sa side and madami dito sa side. And consecutive integers means na, what does that mean? That means magkakasunod-sunod, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dahil 97 sila, and gitna si 55, ilan yung on this side? How many is on each side? So, that will be 96 na lang yung natira. 96 divided by 2 is 48. So, 48 going this way, and 48 going this way. So, that's just 55 plus 48 is equal to 103. The answer is letter C. Guys, vote in the poll. If you're new here, make sure to vote in the poll to test your intuition. Even if you're not answering, you can just vote in the poll. It's okay. Do we get it? Do we get it? Say gets. Okay, paulit po. So, we're gonna do it again, just quickly. We know na median is 55. Ibig sabihin ng median, siya yung gitnang value. So, when you look at a set of integers kasi, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yung median niya ay 3. Ang median niya ay 3 kasi yun yung pinakamalapit. So, in 5 consecutive integers, median is 3. Yung dulong number niya ay 5. So, yes, yung clipper the color blue. Oh, color blue ba yun, Nico? Kala ko purple siya. Am I colorblind? So, what do we do with this information? Alam natin na 55 ang gitna. So, need lang natin bilangin ilan yung papunta dito and ilan yung papunta dito. And dahil 97 sila, tanggal na yung isa kasi yung 1 is 55, 96 na lang ang matitira. Divide 96 going this way, half of 96 this way, half of 96 this way. Blue ba yung ano? I thought it was purple. I'm pretty sure it's purple. Tapos, so 48 na lang going this way. So, i-add mo lang. 55 plus 48 is equal to 103. Very basic, very basic. Hello, Easy Lenore. Welcome to the live. Blue daw siya. Hala, ginagaslight nila ako. Char. It's purple. Char. Blue ba? Saan ko ba makakita? I wanna look at it. Okay, next number. We're gonna put up the poll while I look for the live. I'm gonna look for the live. Answer this question, guys. Hala, ayoko ng domain. Can I skip that? I don't want that. We're skipping that number. Sorry. I feel like I'm not gonna get it. Wait, I wanna look at the poll. I'm skipping the number, okay? Paano naging 48? That's 96 divided by 2. Wait, I wanna look at it. How do I look at it? I can't look at my own live. This is so sad. Need ko maghanap ng live na may poll. Mamaya maghahanap ako. Solve? Okay, we're gonna solve this one, guys. I don't want domain. Skipping the domain. We're skipping the domain. We help you. Wow. Okay, fine. We're not gonna skip domain. They don't wanna skip domain. Hindi pa nila sinasagutan yung poll. Restarting the poll for this number. Given the function x over x minus 2, which of the following is not true? So, what I know about domain is all the values of x na pwede sa function na to. So, ang hindi pwede for domain, ang number one rule ni domain, bawal 0 sa denominator. So, ang rules ni Dustin sa bahay, bawal sa 0 sa denominator. So, correct ito kasi bawal ang 2 dito. What you do is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Hahanapin mo lang yung value. So, x is equal to 2. Ito yung bawal maging part ng domain. Okay? Bawal ang 2 sa domain. What's next? 0 is included. This is correct because pwede naman ang 0. 1 is excluded from the range. That's a problem. I don't know what range means. I mean, I know what range means. Range is all the values of y. So, it's either this or this. The answer is C or D. Okay, the answer is C or D. Why are you saying A or B, guys? Excluded ang 2 sa domain, which is correct. B is also correct. Now, I do not know how to look for the range. Wait, let me think about it. Wait. I know na. Kasi range si y here, diba? Y is equal to x over x minus 2. And I think the way we solve for that, tama ba? We have to set 0. Range is A over B. What's A? What's A and B? Di po wrong. Inverse, diba? Inverse daw siya. Yes. So, I think magiging y ito. Gagawing y ito. Tapos, x is equal to. Ganun ba yun? Something like that. I'm trying to remember it. But this is butterfly method. Yes. Tapos, anong gagawin dun? No, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. Solve for y? Okay, so we're gonna solve for y daw. Let's move y over here. I-multiply natin dito. How do we solve for y? Cross multiply? Solve for y in terms of x. Okay, so let's solve for y in terms of x, meaning dapat ma-isolate si y mag-isa. Let's move y on this side. It will give us x times y minus 2 is equal to y. Tapos, xy minus 2x, we distribute, is equal to y. Tapos, is that how it works? Let's see what's gonna happen. So, this will give us, I don't know what we're doing, guys. Substitute 0. Factor out x. We just put it in. Letter D. Factor out x. So, babalik tayo dito. Y is already separated? Yeah, it was already separated. Naka-separate na si y dun, guys. So, what do we do there with that information? Let me look it up. Divide both sides. Let me think about this. How to get range. Sabi ko sa inyo, skip na lang eh. Kung ako nasa Upcat, how to get range. Multiply, transpose. Welcome to the live, everyone. But biglang dumami when I can't get it right now. I think hula para minus 0.25. Ay, hindi pala skip. Tama, Nico. When you don't know how to get something, make sure to skip it. to answer pala, not to skip it. Guys, leave the live, char. Why are people coming in when I can't answer it? This is not me. Live for, wait. How to get range of a function. Determine all the possible values of y. I don't know. Oh! C kasi B and D. D daw sabi ni Copilot, Hoy, ba't yung nag-AI? D daw ang sagot. Bakit hindi kasama si Zero? Isipin natin bakit hindi kasama si Zero. Bakit hindi kasama si Zero sa range? Form an equation. The domain will be the range of the original function. Oh, okay. The domain of y will be the range of the original function. So, what does that mean? Let's make it xy minus 2x is equal to y. And then, what do I do? Need natin ihiwalay. Magiging undefined kapag 0. Paano siya magiging undefined? Dapat nasa ilalim si x. Oh, okay. I remember now. Dito lang tayo mag-stop, guys. I think, right? Skip na. Diba we can skip? Okay, we're skipping, guys. The answer is D daw. The answer is D. How did we get D? Ask organic chemistry tutor. Okay, we have to, you can find fx as y. We did that. I just don't know what to do. I'm so sorry. Stop asking me questions I don't know. Just kidding. We're moving on. I'm gonna go back to that later at the end of the live. Okay? I'll go back to that that fx by tapos cross multiply tas let x as y na. Cross multiply what? Over here. Okay, if somebody wants to answer that, send the answer to Nico. Send a long answer, write it down. And then we're gonna pin your answer, okay? If you want to be top 1 of this class, we will let you answer that right now. Okay, next number. Next number, guys. This one's easier. Let's move on to this one. Substitute fx to 1. X will be cancelled. Where are you looking? Oh, 1 over 1 minus. I don't know what that means. No, I don't know what that means. We're moving on to this one, guys. Suppose okay, I have a simple explanation, but ginagamit siya sa integrals or sa calculus. Pero yung explanation is, hindi kasama yung range na 0 kasi never magiging 0 si y. Never to magiging 0 kasi laging may value si x dito sa taas. Walang way na hindi siya magiging 0 as far as I know. So, hindi siya pwede maging 0. Is that what that means? Ay, pwede naman siya maging... Bawal ba siya maging 0? Never magiging 0 dito kasi laging may value si y. Okay, we're moving on. I started the poll, by the way, for this number. Suppose f of x is equal to 12 minus 3x squared and g of x is equal to square root of 5 minus x. Find the value of f of g of x. So what we're gonna do here is first get g of x. First step, get g of x. Let's see later. What is it? G of x is equal to what?
Stat.
I don't like stat. Square root of 5 minus x. Tapos, don't be loud in here. They have 5 days left. They're cramming right now.
Well, I had 5 days left. They got this. They've
Bye.
been studying a long time.
Yeah. The whisper scared me, they said. I posted the live na, honey. I posted the live for yesterday. And then, etong value na to, ang gagamitin natin na x, dito sa f of x. So, we're gonna put that in this value over here. So that will be f of g of x. F of g of x is equal to 12 minus 3. Tapos, ito yung gagamitin na x. That will be, put it down here, square root of 5 minus x squared. Okay? Get so far? Gagamitin lang siya as the x. Tapos, isi-simplify lang natin. 12 minus 3. Tapos, dahil may square dito and may square root dito, makakancel lang si square root. Okay? Makakancel yung square root and that will leave us with 5 minus x. Kasi, nakancel lang yung square root. Is that going too fast? Okay. This is functions. I don't know what it's called. C daw sagot sa 165, sabi niya. Tanong niyo si ChatGPT, guys. Anong brand ng tablet? Samsung tablet. Composite function daw. Wow, my name pala yun. Okay. And then, we distribute this, guys. Distribute here. This will give us 12 minus 15 plus 3x is equal to 3x minus 3. And then you're gonna think, nasan si 3x minus 3? Answer in the poll right now, guys. Wala pang sumasagot sa poll. Ang dami natin dito. 3x minus 3, when factored out, is equal to 3 times x minus 1. So the answer is letter A. Letter A. Yes, you did it, guys. Amazing. Letter A, so very basic. Moving on. Yun yung lesson nyo kanina. Di ba grade 11 ka, Chin? Amazing. Okay, so just to recap, ang ginawa lang natin, f of g of x ang hinahanap. So, una mong kukunin is ipapasok mo si g of x, yun ang gagawin mong x. Okay? So, yung g of x, yung gagawin mong x. Ito si g of x, ipapasok lang natin siya sa function ni x. So, imbis na x ito, gagawin siyang square root of 5 minus x. And then you just have to solve for it. Okay? Bakit naging 3x minus 1? Finactor out natin si 3 para lang makuha ang choice na ito. Okay? Ang gulo daw ni x. Dapat pag minus ko 12 minus 3. Hindi yan i-minus, guys. Multiply yan. Sorry. How finactor? You just have to factor out the common. The common is 3. May 3 dito, may 3 dito. So, ilalabas natin si 3. Dahil common siya. Hello, Swizzy. Welcome to the live. Welcome to the live. To the people new here, make sure to follow. We go live every day. Maybe until Thursday. Friday will be, hindi tayo mag-aaral. We're gonna just sharpen our pencils together. Online bus with Nico. Okay. Number 167. 2 years ago, an age problem. Age problem. Negative si 3. I put up the poll, guys. Make sure to check out the poll. The blue poll, according to Nico. Blue daw yung poll. 2 years ago, Jake was twice as old as his sister. In 3 years, Jake will be 19 years old. How many years old is Jake's sister now? So, how do we do age problems? What I do is always draw a table. So, this is Jake. This is sister. And then, i-drawing lang natin. So, this will be past 2 years ago. 2 years ago. This will be now. And this will be 3 years. In 3 years. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan is 2 years ago, Jake was twice as old as his sister. So, pwede natin gawing 2x si Jake if you want. You can set anything as x here. But what I like to do is gagawin kong x yung pinakamadali. So, right now, 2x and x yung pwedeng madaling x. Okay? And then, what's the question? In 3 years, Jake will be 19 years old. So, in 3 years, kung 2 years ago yon, pwede na natin skip yung now. How many years yon? So, 2 years ago, kailangan maging 2x plus 5. Okay? Bakit plus 5? Kasi 2 years ago yon. So, this is 2x plus 2. Tapos, in 3 years, kailangan mo mag-add ng 3. Kaya, magiging plus 5 siya. Okay? Plus 5 kasi in plus 3 years. So, 2x plus 5 is equal to 19. Jake will be 19 years old. And then, we just have to solve for x. Okay? Let's solve for x. x will be, move 5 to the other side, that will be 2x plus is equal to 19 minus 5. 2x is equal to 14, and x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7, si x here. What we're looking for, his sister's age now. And yung sister's age now is x plus 2, kasi 2 years ago yung x. Okay. Saan nanggaling yung 5? Dito. Kasi plus 2 sa now, tapos plus 3, which is just 2 plus 2, tapos plus 3. Plus 3 dahil sa future. So, kaya kailangan yung table para hindi kayo malito. Ma-integral, hindi kailangan ng integrals, guys. Sa college nyo pa yan naaralin. No integrals at all. Thank you for following. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow. What do we do next? Oh, so the answer is, what's your answer? C? The answer is C. So, x plus 2 is equal to 9. The answer is C. Okay, thank you for following. Did you get it, guys? The answer is C. Will there be no calculus at all? Why 5? Okay, so remember in the table, this is the table we have. Kung sinet natin, nagset lang tayo 2x. Yung 2x, 2 years ago. So, para makuha si now, mag-a-add ka ng 2. Mag-a-add ka ng 2 para maging now siya. And then, para maging 2 years forward, para maging 2 years later, need mo ulit mag-add ng 3. 2x plus 2 plus 3. 2x plus 2 plus 3 is just 2x plus 5. Okay? So, depende kung ilang years forward, ilang years back. Yun yung i-add nyo. Why 9? Because we added 2, guys. We added 2 over here. Kasi ang tanong, remember, go back to the question, how old is his sister now? Yung sister now ay x plus 2. Bakit x plus 2? Kasi 2 years ago ito. 2 years ago ito. Gusto natin hanapin this one over here. Okay? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Why 19? Given. 19 given. Paano po naging 19? Given over here. Ito, nahanap natin na ito yung Jake in 3 years. Kaya natin hinanap si 2x plus 5 para makakuha tayo ng equation na i-equate natin sa 19. Yes. Okay. Gets. You can rewatch that part if you want. Age problems, guys, if nahirapan kayo, skip nyo na lang siya. Kasi need nyo talaga siya i-practice para matuto. Pero, mabilis lang siya if masanay na kayo. Okay? We're gonna move on so we can have a lot of questions done. Okay? We're gonna move on. Yes. Next question, restarting the poll. In triangle ABC, let's draw that. Triangle ABC, AC, AB, C. AC is equal to CB. AC is equal to CB. And angle A is 4 times as large as C. Angle A is 4 times as large as C. So this is 4x and this is x. And dahil equal sila, this is an isosceles triangle. So 4x then itong value here. Now we have to look for the measure of B. So equal sila kasi 4x sila pareho, guys. 4x sila pareho because isosceles triangle siya. Okay? So we just have to add it up. That's 4x plus 4x plus x is equal to, what will it be equal to, guys? Anong rule yan? It's an isosceles triangle. So, kapag equal yung sides ng isosceles triangle, equal din yung angles niya. 180. Good job, guys. So, this is 9x is equal to 180 and x is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 kasi we divided both sides. Divide by 9. So, B is equal to 4x, which is equal to, is it A or D, guys? Is it A or D? The answer is letter D, which is 80 degrees. Remember, balikan nyo yung tanong, guys. Ano ba yung tinatanong? Hinahanap si B, not C. Okay? B ang hinahanap. Kaya letter D ang sagot. The answer is letter D. Did we get that? Madami nag-A, guys. Ba't kayo nag-A? Basahin niyo yung question before answering, okay? Why D? Kasi ang hinahanap ay si B. Hinahanap daw si B, guys, hindi si C. Okay? Remember, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, kunyari, ito si isosceles. Imagine this isosceles triangle. Kapag equal itong dalawang side, equal din ang dalawang angle nila. Equal angle. Okay? Yan ang isosceles triangle. Yes, 4 times 20. 4 times 20 kasi x is equal to 20. Why 180? Because the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180. Please study, guys, if you don't know why it's 180, okay? 180 ang loob ng lahat ng triangle. Kinakabahan na ako para sa inyo, guys. Please binge watch my lives like the whole day tomorrow. That's your assignment. Why 9? Because 4x plus 4x plus x, okay, is equal to 9. Yes. How do you know that A and B are equal? We know that A and B are equal kasi equal yung sides nila. Pag equal ang dalawang side, equal din ang angle nila. Okay? That's a fact. Equal sides, equal angles. Like this. Okay? Yes. Grade 8, yes. I think that's grade 8. Okay, thank you. Next number. Next number. Equal sila kasi equal yung sides. Ooh, this one's nice. We're gonna answer this one. 166 daw. Okay, screenshot mo yung 166. Ay, hindi yan. Madali lang yung 166. We need the main answer. Wala pang sumasagot sa bakit 1 daw yung range or alin yung kulang sa range. Actually, okay. I'm gonna restart the poll for this number. We love surface area over here. Malabo. Okay, we're moving in. There. Refer to the figure below. Find the surface area of the triangular prism. So, what we need to do when we're looking for surface area is i-add up lang natin lahat ng figure. Where's my Rubik's Cube? Do you guys want me to bring out the Rubik's Cube? Actually, let's put out a triangle. Do I have a triangle? I don't have a triangle. I have a triangle here. Triangle. This is my triangle Rubik's Cube. It's not cube, it's a triangle. And then, when we get the surface area, we just add up the area. So, kukunin mo yung area nito, and area nito. Tapos, i-add up lang natin siya. Okay, that's how you get surface area. Surface area is basically yung surface niya, ano yung sum ng area ng lahat. If babalutin mo siya ng papel, or you're gonna wrap it as a gift, what will be the area nung papel na ibabalot mo sa kanya? So, that's what a surface area is. Welcome to the live. But ngayon lang to nakagraduate na daw siya ng engineer. Congrats sa'yo. So, what do we do with this information? You need to imagine this as a transparent box. Tapos, as you can see here, hala, hindi pantay. Okay, wait. Let's make it pantay. And then down here. And then down. Ba't di pantay? Down here. And then down here, and then down here. So, you have to think about alin yung mga i-add natin. So, we're gonna add all the parts of the surface area. Yes, total surface area. Which is, eto muna, i-add muna natin ang area ng triangle kasi yun yung kita natin. So, this is the triangle. This is a triangle. And what is the area of this triangle and this triangle? Equal sila, guys. So, i-multiply lang natin by 2. Okay? Multiply by 2 lang natin. That's actually base times height over 2. Area of triangle equals 1/2 base times height. Pero dahil dalawa yung triangle, okay, mamaya na. This is equal to 1/2 of 4 times 3. That's equal to 6. One triangle is 6, pero dahil dalawang triangle sila, dalawang 6 ang kailangan natin. One triangle is 6 plus one triangle is 6. Next, we have to look for the value of this rectangle. So, itong rectangle na ito naman, or mamaya na yan. Ito munang nasa likod. This rectangle sa likod ay equal to 4 itong side niya. Okay, let's get rid of this. We're looking at this rectangle. This one over here. Hala, nawala. We're looking at this one over here. So, what is the area of this one, guys? Remember, when getting the area, it's just length times width. Okay? Length times width lang. So, that's equal to the first rectangle is equal to 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. Paano nalaman na 8 siya? Paano naging 6? 1 half base times height. 32 because 8 ito, okay, and 4 ito. So that's 8 times 4 is 32. Next. We get this one over here. This is another rectangle. What do we do with this rectangle? That's 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4. 3 times 8 pala. Is equal to, what's that equal to, guys? Paano naging 1 half? Guys, this is a formula. Please memorize your formulas. I'm so scared. But I feel like I'm responsible for everybody here. So I need you guys to lock in. Or else if you don't pass, I feel like it's my fault. So please study, or else I will feel bad. If you fail, it's because of me. Please study. I'm gonna cry. Okay. It's okay. Start memorizing your formulas, guys. Malapit na yung Upcat. Why am I gonna break down right now? Oh my god, guys. Please study. I feel like you're my child, and then I'm not. My child is failing. Okay. So 24, that one. Lastly, we're looking for this triangle. Now we're looking for this triangle. What about this one, guys? Itong paslant na triangle. Ito naman yung hinahanap natin. What is the length of this, guys? Length niya ay 8. Pero what is the value of this? What's the value of this, guys? Good job! Alam na nila agad. It's 5. Bakit alam natin na 5 yan? Because this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Remember, 3, 4, 5 is the back burner of this entire Upcat. Lagi yan lalabas. Kapag in any situation, 3, 4, 5 is the key. We need 3, 4, 5 in our lives. Remember, kapag may 4 and may 3, ang hypotenuse niya ay 5. If you don't know about 3, 4, 5, just memorize the Pythagorean triplet. Memorize the Pythagorean theorem and you can solve for it. So that's 5. We know this is equal to 5. Let's write that down. That's equal to 5. This is equal to 5. And that will be 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So we just answered that very slowly, but actually you can do that. You can do that quickly. So we have to add this up as quickly as we can. That will be 30, 70, 102, 108. So the answer is letter A. Letter A, guys. 108 is the answer. We did that. Good job. Please memorize your formulas, guys. Memorize your formulas. Important daw ang sleep. Should we end right now, guys, at 10 p.m.? Is there a shortcut? Actually, this is very quick. You can solve this in 1 minute, guys. You can solve this in 1 minute. You just have to, kailangan nyo masanay sa surface area. So, yun. You can rewatch the live if you wanna, in case hindi nyo nasundan. Kasi we had to delete, the things we put over here. But yeah. Recap? Okay, recap daw. Remember, recap natin. Just a recap on this. Surface area is adding up all the sides. Need to add all the sides of the triangle to get the surface area. So the first thing we added up was, we added up these two triangles, which is 1 half base times height, will give us 6. So that's the two triangles. Then we added the 32, which comes from here. 4 times 8 to get this rectangle sa likod. Yung rectangle sa likod, need siya add. So that's 4 times 8 is 32. Next, we got the base over here. That's 3 times 8. Base dito, 3 and 8. Any rectangle is just length times width. So, kinuha lang natin yung length times width, which is 3 times 8. That's 24. And lastly, we had to get yung triangle on top here, yung parang roof part. Kita nyo ba to? This roof part. And ang width niya ay 5 kasi this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Tapos length niya ay 8. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. And add all of that up. And you will get 108. So the answer is letter A. Okay, amazing, guys. Next number. Hala, log. Gusto niyo ba mag-log? Or wag na tayo mag-log. Can we skip log? End na daw. 165 is A. A daw ang 165. Excluded sa domain. Excluded talaga sa domain yung 2. 2 is excluded sa domain. Skip log. Diyan na naman tayo sa skip eh. Need natin hanapin na naman yung rule. Log 3m equals y. X plus log 3 m squared in terms of y. Hindi nyo kailangan to, guys. I mean, kailangan nyo siya, pero maybe one question. 1 to 2 questions on log. You don't need log. Kasi pati ako, hindi ko memorize yung log. We're gonna have to look up yung formula ng log, which is over here sa PTS reviewer. Logarithms is around page 50 plus. So, if you guys wanna look up log, we can do that naman. Log will be around here. Linear equation, system of equations, more samples, inequalities. Malapit dito si log. Hala, walang log. Search natin, guys. So, if you want to start, if hindi nyo pa memorize ang mga reviewers, this file is actually in my Instagram. So, it's in my Instagram, guys. Yes, kaya naman yung 3 days, guys. Just make sure to memorize your formulas. Check out this file on Instagram. It's the file that has all the formulas. Personally, I love this I love this one. 56 daw. Page 56. So, nandito lahat ng formula if gusto nyo So, here, log AB is equal to x, AXB. Log ABX, AXB. Log ABX, AXB. Log ABX equal to AX is equal to B. So, now that we know, so, ang meaning kasi ng log, guys, is opposite siya ng exponent. What exponent means, for example, is kapag, kung ano hinahanap, diba dito, for example, ano daw i-multiply kay 3, or anong exponent ng 3, ang ibig sabihin nito is, anong exponent ng 3, which is y, para makuha si b. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng log. So, kunyari, given natin is 2 raised to blank is equal to 32. Pwede mo mahanap yung sagot nito. I mean, madali lang siya, diba? What's the answer here, guys? You can look for that answer using log of 2, tapos lagay mo to sa calcu, log of 32 base 2 is equal to 5. Okay? Yes, good job, Fo and Limor. Yes, it's 5. So, you can use log to solve for that. Now, hindi siya magagamit kasi hindi naman tayo magka-calculator sa Upcat, pero you can use those pagdating nyo na ng college. Okay? Wala pa tayong sagot, Luf. Wala pa tayong uulitin. So, actually, hindi nyo kailangan ng log masyado, honestly. But, sige, isolve na natin. So, if log M3 daw ay equal to y, ibig sabihin nun na 3 raised to y is equal to m. 3 raised to y is equal to m. So, kapag nag-add tayo ng m squared dito, edi masa-square din ito. You can square both sides. Gets nyo ba? Tapos, anong pwedeng gawin? In terms of y, what does that mean? Oh, that's 27. Okay, let's try to turn this into 27. We're trying to turn this into 27. So, need natin mag-add ng 27 dito, which is just 3 raised to 3. So, as you can see dito, that's just 2y plus 3. 3 plus 2y. Kita nyo ba? A ang sagot, guys. Bakit B? Oh, you got A. Everybody got A. Okay, gets... yes, we got A. Good job. Amazing. You guys got letter A. I don't know how I solved that. That was pure luck. But yes. Basically, what we did, alam kasi natin, based sa equation na to, na 3y is equal to m. We know this because of this. Okay, we know this because of this. So what we want is to transform this m into 27m squared. How do we transform that? The first thing I did is, nilagyan ko siya ng square. And kapag naglagay ka ng square dyan, pwede mo din ito lagyan ng square, ng 2 dito. So, magiging 3 raised to 2y na siya. Tapos, nag-multiply pa siya ng 27. So, pag nag-multiply ka ng 27, you can multiply 27 here. And we know that 27 is 3 cubed. 3 cubed lang yan. So, that's 3 times 3. 3 cubed times 3 times yan. And, alam natin na itong dalawa, kapag minultiply yan, same lang yan as 3 times 3 plus 2y. Pwede mo i-add yung exponents kasi same sila ng base. So, yun yung sagot, guys. Is equal to 27m squared. So, 3 raised to 3 plus 2y. Okay? So, the answer is letter A. Next question. We hate log in this household. So, we're moving on. Yes, thank you very much. It's logarithms, yes. Eto na lang, mas masaya to. Restarting the poll, guys. Do we wanna end, by the way? Alam natin. Wala pa akong alam. Mag-aral na kayo, guys. What is this? Rate ba to? Let's move on to a word problem again. Okay, last na daw. Last na. Tingnan natin kung last na. But I'm starting the poll. Actually, bukas, guys, I don't know if I have internship work. So, I might have to go to the office tomorrow. So, might start late. But yeah. Until 1 a.m. dapat. Okay, we're gonna continue. Welcome to the live, even if you're late. Screenshot the log. You can find the PDF, guys, later. I'll upload the PDF naman. So, yeah. Jenny's house is 2 km away from her school. One day, when going to school, Jenny runs for 20 minutes and arrives 5 minutes late. How many minutes earlier would Jenny be if she would use her bicycle at a rate of 1/3 kilometer per minute? 5 minutes late daw siya nung 20 minutes siya tumakbo. How many minutes earlier would Jenny be if she would use her bicycle at a rate of 1/3 km per minute? So, we need to know how many minutes yung 2 km away. So, that's 1/3 km per minute. Need natin hanapin paano siya magiging equal to 2. I already know the answer, but I don't know how to get it right now. How do we make that 1/3 km times x? 1/3 x is equal to 2. Okay? 1/3 x is equal to 2 because we're looking for ilang minutes siya. Ilang minutes siya magta-travel. So, that will be transpose to the other side, magiging x is equal to 2 times 3 kasi yung 1/3 magiging 3 over 1. X is equal to 6. Now, hindi pa tayo tapos dun. Tapos na ba yun? Kasi ang question is, how many minutes earlier would she be? So, what are we, ano ba yung kina-consider natin? Dapat ba hindi siya late? How many minutes earlier would she be? She runs daw for 20 minutes. 6 minutes if magbabike siya. So, she would be, diba, 5 minutes late. So, 15 minutes lang basically yung takbo niya. How many minutes earlier? Hindi ba dapat 20 minus 6? Walang 20 minus 6. So, I'm assuming it's 15 minus 6. Not including the 5 minutes late siya. So, tinanggal niya yung 5 minutes late. Why? I do not know. But, if I'm looking for an answer, kunyari nasa Upcat ako, I feel like it's 15 minus 6. So, the answer is 9. Kasi, tinanggal yung 5 minutes late. 20 minus 5 minutes late. Kasi, on time ang hinahanap natin. So, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Yes. Thank you for the egg, Chan, and Chanti for the rose. And everybody who sent the gifts. Sorry, I don't look at it that much. Thank you, Kate, for the roses. Bakit negative 2? Asan yung negative 2? Walang negative 2 anywhere. Okay. More word problem. We're gonna look. Did you guys get letter D? Basta hindi siya B, for sure. So, para lang maghanap tayo ng sagot, I think the answer is 9. 9 minutes is equal to 15. So, the answer is letter D. Do you agree with D? Who is Jenny? Somebody said, who is Jenny po? D. Okay, are we ending here, guys? We're nakuha ang 15. 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5 kasi 20 minutes siya tumakbo. 5 minutes siya late. So, hinahanap lang natin how many minutes earlier than school time daw siya mag-arrive. So, how many minutes earlier than school time? Than class start. Kaya tayo nag-minus ng 5 minutes. Okay? Bakit siya naging 3? When you transpose this, magiging 3 over 1 ito. When you transpose, magiging 3 over 1. On the other side, si 1/3. Okay? Naging 3 over 1 siya. So, which is the same thing as 6. Paano po naging 3 yung 1/3? Babaligtarin mo lang siya. Kapag divide siya on one side, nilipat mo sa other side, magiging 3 over 1, which is just multiplied by 3. Okay, end na daw. Mag-end na ba tayo, guys? Or are we ending here? Pwede din cross-multiply. Okay, if that's easier for you guys to understand, pwede tayo mag-cross-multiply to both sides. Multiply 3, multiply 3. So, mawawala si 3 dito, and dito mapupunta si 3. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, if that's easier. Okay. Word problem, hanap tayo. Ayaw nyo nito, very basic. You don't want this one. Word problem daw. Do you want probability? Ito na lang, ayaw daw nila. Ito na lang, or probability. 172. They want 172, guys. Let's just do this one, and then we'll continue tomorrow, okay? We're gonna continue tomorrow. Let's end on this number. Hello to the 1.9k people. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Follow Nico also. Yes, Nico's always here every day. Kung ako nababurnout, feel ko nababurnout na din si Nico. Sawa na siya sa boses ko. Char. Yes, thank you for following, guys. Make sure to stick around. Come back tomorrow, 8 p.m. Hopefully. But yeah, 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. usually. Let's end on this one kasi madali lang siya, guys. Let's end here. Madali lang siya. What we can do is, this first one, what do we know about this? This one is a difference. I'm restarting the poll, by the way. One more. We're gonna end here, guys. Yes, somebody, good job. It's dots, and I'll explain later, and chin. This is a difference of two squares. Paano natin nasabi? Kasi perfect square si 9, perfect square si x squared, and perfect square si 16. So, we can rewrite natin siya as 3x squared minus 4 and 3x squared plus 4. Difference, hi baby, difference of two squares is equal to a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay? Kaya siya naging 3x, ay walang squared, 3x squared plus 4. Yes. Okay? And then now we have to factor yung ilalim. What can we get na factor ng ilalim? Obviously, guys, pag ganito yung question, kapag sinabing simplify, agad na nating alam na one of the factors is 3x, either 3x plus 4 or minus 4. Okay? We know that right away. Now, one of the factors is 3x minus 4 or plus 4. But I do not know how we get the other one. Feel ko mali. Ay, hindi pala. 3x plus 4. Kasi, yes, our only choices here. So, okay. So, what I'm gonna do, if nagmamadali na tayo sa Upcat, we look at the choices. Right now sa choices, x tong 3x plus 1. Kasi wala namang 3x plus 1 dito sa taas. Wala tayong 3x plus 1 dito, so x ko na siya. This one's wrong because this one is wrong. What about, check, check, and check. Anong difference ito? Oh, meron difference. So, alam natin na x plus 4 ang ilalim or x minus 4. Bakit feel ko mali ito? Diba hindi siya 16? Like, imposible maging 16. Ay, walang squared. Sino ba nagsabi kasi na may squared kanina? Wala pala siyang squared, guys. Okay. Yes, walang squared. Next, what do we continue? Yan kasi sabi mag-end na tayo mga Okay. Okay, what do we do? Feel mo B? Okay, answer in the poll, guys. 61 pa lang ang sumagot. Let's guess right now. What do you think the answer is? Kung ako manghuhula, feel ko, yung possible lang dyan is, possible ang either B or, actually, D or A ang sagot ko. Kasi same sign ito. Ay, feel ko D, kasi same sign ito. Pero tignan natin. Let's look at what we should pick. Kasi same sign ito. Eh, yung na-cancel out nga, diba, yung same sign. So, dapat opposite sign na siya, I think. But, okay, we're gonna try to solve for it now. I'm not sure what the answer is. More people are saying A, and then, ay, mas madaming B. Okay, B daw. What do? We divide it. Do we divide it? Try lang natin manghula. It's either x minus 4 or x plus 4. Yung isa, kasi kailangan natin mag-cancel dito sa taas. I'm trying to think of a shorter way to do it. But alam natin na x lang yung isa, and 4 din yung dulo. Kasi, dapat 4 times 4 yung dulo dito, diba? Feel ko mali ito, guys. Hindi ba mali ito? Possible ba maging 16 yan? Ay, possible pala kasi may 3. So, we're gonna try it out. Dapat maging negative 16 siya. Ay, negative pala sila pareho kasi positive ito. Negative sila pareho because positive yung x sa dulo. Okay? Gets? Negative dulo. So, mali agad yung B nyo. Bakit B sagot nyo, guys? So, mali ba? Wait lang. Tama ba? Kasi it will be 4 times 3. Yeah. It has to be both negative, guys. It has to be both negative kasi negative yung gitna and positive yung dulo. Okay? So, yun lang yung basis natin. So, the answer is, maka-cancel out dito si eto and eto. So, the answer is, I told you, it's letter D, guys. We did it. Letter D is the answer. The answer is 3x plus 4 over x minus 4. Panis kayo sa intuition ko, guys. My intuition is winning right now. Letter D is the answer because actually hindi ito intuition. That was more of a what do you call that? Ano tawag doon? Intelligent guess or something like that. A calculated, whatever that's called. Paano nalaman? Mali daw. Bakit mali? Ay, mali daw sign ng D. Ay, baligtad. Ano ba yan? So, walang sagot? Walang sagot? Hala, mali daw yung D. Walang sagot. Ito yung sagot. Tama yung D? Mali yung D eh. Or positive ba yung 4? Pag ginawa kasi nating positive yung 4, dapat negative yung 4 eh. Kasi if negative sila pareho, this will give us negative 12 and this will give us negative 4 para makuha si 16. Okay, so walang sagot apparently. Not in the choices. Not in choices. But I think the answer is, it's not D, it's D though. Wala eh. Baligtad nga siya. May sense naman sila. Baligtad yung D, guys. Okay, kayo na bahala. Basta ito yung sagot. Ito yung tamang sagot. If you want to think D yan, okay? This is the latest we've ever done live. I think my brain doesn't work after 10:20. After 10 p.m. actually. But yeah, the shortcut here, guys, is alam natin na dots yung taas. Pag nahihirapan kayo mag-factor dito, you have to know na one of the factors has to be either this one or this one, okay? One of the factors ng ilalim has to be this. Kasi, isi-simplify natin siya. Obviously, kapag simplified, may isang factor na same sila pareho. Tapos, yung ilalim, base natin dito, x minus 4 or x plus 4 lang yung pwedeng ilalim. So, use the choices to your advantage. Try to use the choices para makuha nyo agad ang factors, okay? Magiging x squared minus x plus 16. Nasa baba din factor. What does that mean? You can't tinanggal niya yung 3. Pwede ba yun? Okay, so yes. Because we know the choices are that's how you get the factors. Okay, we're gonna end there. Thank you for being here, everybody. Come back tomorrow, maybe 8 p.m., maybe 9 p.m. But it depends if I have on-site work at the office of my internship tomorrow. I'll let you guys know naman. I will try to chat as early as possible. Thank you for being here. We're ending the live. Can I see the poll? Can you go to my live? People are saying the poll is color blue.
Blue, blue,
Follow nyo daw si Nico, guys. Na-discuss na Trigo. Yes, we have videos on Trigo. Check out my YouTube for the recordings. Check my YouTube, guys. We discussed Trigo. It's blue? Where's the poll? Oh, I'm gonna put up a poll, guys, so I can see if it's blue. Is the poll blue? What? That used to be purple! It's blue now! That was purple like, what, 1 week ago? I swear that was purple. That was purple! What the? It used to be purple. When did it become blue? What? Anyway, so look at my cube, guys.
That's not a cube.
I'm not answering your math homework.
No, please!
I'm not answering your math homework.
Please, I'll pay you, please.
Guys.
Please, do, please.
Where's the crown? Oh, the crown's over here. Where's my crown?
Here.
Here. The way you're looking at a different crown. This is my crown. I have another crown, but it's an actual crown.
What? Yeah.
Yes, it's good for the PSI exam. Wait, PSI exam for senior high?
What about the fedora, Pookie?
I wore this at the Bruno Mars concert when I was grade 5.
This is mine.
Take it then.
This is here.
I don't know. They said somebody said I look like Jenny Kim. That's crazy.
Who's Jenny Kim?
Jenny.
Oh, what's her name?
Her name's Jenny Kim. Desk tour. Guys, my desk, you do not want to see.
Let's not look.
My desk is so messy, you do not want to see.
Let's not desk tour, guys.
Okay, we're gonna end. Nico, what time do you want to end? 10:25. We'll end in 1 minute, guys. Soft copy is over here on my Instagram. Thank you for being here, everybody. Why are you still staying? Hello to the 1.5k people. Make sure to follow. Come back tomorrow. Also, guys, before leaving, go check my Instagram. My Instagram. Go check my TikTok video. I just made one right before I went live. Check the TikTok video I made. Please practice synthetic division. It's very important. Okay? The synthetic division, yes, I studied in Mandaluyong Science. Check the synthetic division video, guys, and then go to sleep right after, okay? Make sure to like the video. Good night. Bye, Hayuri. Bye. Bye, Soph. 10:25. Okay, thank you, Nico. Make sure to follow Nico, guys. He'll help you out. Also, you can ask him questions on PM daw. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, Rome. Bye. Yes, I studied Mandaluyong Science. Bye. Bye, Chin. Bye, Soph. Bye, Mar. Bye, Flip Flop. Bye, Pre. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Mia. Okay, we're leaving, guys, before it turns 10:26. See you tomorrow. Come back. Join the Instagram live. Bye.